Hi everyone, today I got a quick unboxing video of a brand new scope by a company called Vector Optics. This particular model is the Veyron. It's a 3x12x44 first focal plane scope. As you can see, we've got the 3x12 44mm. It weighs about 500 grams, 30mm tube, 1/10 adjustments per click, parallax to 10 yards to infinity, and the reticle is called an MPR4. It should look something like this. Okay, let's dive into it. First of all, you're greeted by some instruction manual. Nice patch to put on your gear. What's this? It looks like some cleaning cloth to clean your lenses from Vector Optics. And the box. In the box we got some nice scope rings. They look quite beefy and solid, with their logo stamped into it. This is probably the second one. Yeah. And then the scope itself. It's really compact. 30mm tube. Flip-up covers, front and back, and it looks like a honeycomb shade. Let's take it off. That can easily be removed if you don't really want it. We got the 3x12x44 first focal plane scope from 3 to 12. It's stiff, but not too stiff so you can't turn it, but just good enough. We got an adjustable eye relief to get a crisp reticle from 10 to infinity. Lockable thirds, seems. Nice audible clicks, and lock it down. You can reset them back to 0 once you made your adjustments. Got a nice logo of Vector Optics here. Just for size comparison, I got my Emerald Aztec scope here. It's a 5x25x50. As you can see, the length difference is huge. Looking forward to using this one on a new gun I have coming in next week, and I'll post some updates when I start using it, what my likes and dislikes are. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram for some extra pictures, and if you want to get yourself one of these, I'll put a link down in the description where you can get it, and I think it retails about 250 euros, what I think is a nice price for the optic. Okay guys, thanks, see you, bye.